Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please don't make it your last time by clicking on the subscribe button below and giving this video a thumbs up. But if you're an OG subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make money as a content creator. As you all know, content creation and influencing is now a $1 million industry, if not $1 billion already, and a lot of people are by the day becoming content creators and influencers full time. So I'm a full-time content creator. I create content for brands. I promote brands on my social media platform, and I also teach other content creators how to get into content creation, how to review their influencer agreements and contracts, and how to edit photos and videos for social media. So in this video, I'm going to be diving right into the very many ways you can make money as a content creator. One of the good things about content creation is that it is very diverse. You can be doing so many things at the same time and making multiple streams of income for yourself. The good thing about content creation is that it is flexible. It lets you work at your own hours. It lets you choose your own clients, and you can easily combine that if you have a family, you have kids, or you're just a young person trying to start out something for yourself. If you meet all these criteria, then this video is for you. Let's get right into it. I've been creating content for 4 years. It started during the lockdown. I was less busy. I didn't know what to do, and I got on social media, and from there got my first brand in 2020, that same year, and it's just been up and up from there. I do have a wealth of experience that I'll be willing to share with you guys on how I make money as a content creator and how you too can also make money. The first way to make money as a content creator is UGC. What is UGC? UGC is user generated content. Some brands want user generated content or consumer generated content, and they would want to pay you to create content with their products, nothing too serious, something very simple and lifelike in exchange for your content. So you can actually go into content creation and work behind the scenes. You don't necessarily have to be paid for influencing or sponsorships. You can just work behind the scenes, create content for them, send it over to them, they use it on their page, you don't post on your page, and you get paid. So you might wonder, how do I get into UGC? First off, have a social media page. Instagram and TikTok are the best platforms for a UGC creator. I would say start creating content with products you already have, so you can build up a portfolio that you can show your future clients. Post those videos on social media, tag brands that you love or brands that you've used their products already. Make it very clean, minimal, lifelike, something that a brand will want to post on their page and sell their products to other people. And then the second thing is to start reaching out to brands. Most brands have their email addresses on their bios, or if you can't find a particular brand's email address, you can Google it, check LinkedIn, look for their marketing manager, check TikTok. TikTok is the new Google. Let's say you want to work with Boohoo, you say Boohoo collaboration email, it will bring it out. Or you want to work with Arami Essentials, say Arami Essentials collaboration email. Like, you see other creators that have worked with these brands before willing to give out that information. So that's how you get started with UGC, and you can start getting clients with as little as 1K, 2K, 3K followers. For example, just a few weeks ago, I got my first TikTok PR. How? There's this Korean brand that just found my page, and they were willing to send products in exchange for content. They reached out to me via email. I was like, hope this is not a scam, but I kept chatting with them, and they asked my shipping address and everything. And guys, I was like, so a brand noticed me all the way from Korea. On my TikTok, I have about 3,000 followers. It's still a new platform. It's barely even growing, and this brand actually saw what I could do. They probably already seen my videos on my page. Like I said, post your videos, and they've probably seen my Instagram. I have more followers on Instagram, but that's besides the point. They really wanted to work with me, and they sent it all the way, no shipping fees paid, nothing at all, and I'm receiving those products in exchange for content. Need I say more? The next one, and probably the most popular one, is brand sponsorships. So if you have a huge following already on social media, maybe not huge, let's say you can even get brand sponsorship as low as 1K, 2K, 3K followers. My first brand sponsorship at my first ever job, I was at 3,000 followers. I think exactly 3,000 followers. Honestly, I was so shocked, and it was with an international brand. I'm not joking. I was so shocked when I got a DM from their marketing or brand manager, I can't remember which, and they were like, they love my work and they feel like I have some potential and they would love to work with me. Send your rate card. Jeez, it was like one of the happiest days of my life. I was like, oh my god, I can really get paid for creating content and posting. Wow. How these things work is a brand pays you to influence for them. Some brands have products you can try out, some have services, so they would want you to talk about their services, get your followers to engage with their page, probably give you a discount code that your followers can use just to trace like how much traffic you're bringing to them, and then give you money in exchange. So you need to have a rate card as a content creator. You should have rates for Instagram, TikTok, Snap, YouTube, story posts, feed posts, video posts. For YouTube is mostly video posts, or they might now start, asking you to post on shorts. So you can have like a set rate for shorts and a dedicated video on YouTube. And this is actually one of the most rewarding ways a content creator can make money, because it's like a lump sum getting to you. How can you work with this brand? Like I said, you need to have a social media following, pick a niche. These brands go ahead to go look for creators that align with their aesthetic, with their brand, and creators that they know can give them some sort of conversion. Some of these PR agencies also select creators for influencer events, and from there you can connect with another influencer or connect with even a brand manager and even seal a deal in that same event or be considered for a future sponsorship. Next is YouTube. Of course, you guys know YouTube pays creators to create videos and post on their platform. But for YouTube, you need to grow a subscriber amount of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I explained that in the previous video, tagging it here so you can go watch it. So when this happens, you're welcomed into the YouTube Partner Program and you begin to earn money through ads that run on your videos or on your shorts. And the more you grow, the more subscribers you have, the more views you get, the more money you make. Aside from ads running through your videos, you can make money through memberships and you can make money through super stickers. All these have been explained in my previous videos, tagging it again here. In this video I'm tagging, I explained how I got monetized on YouTube, what I had to do, every single thing up here, so go watch. Also, brands can also pay you money to run paid promotions on your YouTube videos, maybe like make a 1-minute section of your video talking about their brands or products, or make a whole dedicated video of like 10 minutes, 5 minutes talking about their products, using their products and services and telling other people about it. Next thing is digital products. I can't begin to emphasize on the importance of having a digital product if you have some sort of expertise in an area. For example, I have 2 digital products. The first one is a beginner's guide to influencing and content creation. Seeing that I have expertise in content creation and influencing, over 4 years of experience, I started to make a guide that will help other upcoming content creators know how to start up content creation, work with brands, find PR agencies and everything, pitch to brands basically. So that product, I marketed it, a lot of people got it and it's still running till now. The second one was a one-on-one consultation on influencer agreements. I think I spoke about that. So this works where I speak with influencers, we look over their agreements and contracts, I give them legal advice or counsel. I'm also a lawyer. If I haven't mentioned that, I'm also a lawyer, so I have some sort of expertise in that area. So I give them legal advice and advise them on whether to sign or not to sign a contract. So these 2 products are products that I created. I'm just sitting at home and the products are making me passive income basically. So if you have some sort of expertise in any area at all, make those digital products. They're pretty easy to make. You can use Canva and some other design apps out there. And the good thing about digital products is that you can make multiple products. There are platforms like Seller, Mainstack that allows you to list your products and people pay, and you pay like a little percentage of the price of your product is taken by the platform for listing your products on their platform. Classes and masterclasses. For example, earlier in my content creation career, I had like classes teaching people how to edit photos and edit videos. This involves telling people about these classes, people who are interested in learning how to edit photos, edit videos, setting a price tag, having like a webinar or a Zoom meeting, or even on Telegram. I think I held 2 of my classes on Telegram, and just teaching these people basically how to film and edit photos and videos for their social media page. I also taught them how to build a cohesive social media page. So if you feel like there's anything that you have so much knowledge on and you're willing to share with other people to grow grow, then you should have classes and master classes at that stage of your career in content creation. You can also have like tutorial classes where you teach people some basic stuff. There could be a limited number of people allowed into the class, so everybody gains like the maximum amount of knowledge they can. TikTok and Facebook. For TikTok, you have to be in an eligible country like the US, UK, Spain, and the rest of them, where you'll be rewarded for making videos in the creators rewards program. So you need to hit a total of 10,000 followers on TikTok and have an active 100,000 views in the past 30 days, and you can get paid for making videos longer than 1 minute. You can also make money by gifts. Gifts are when people watch your videos and decide to send you money. Then there's creator marketplace on TikTok, where you reach out to brands. Brands put out like an advertisement. They're looking for so creators in this location, and you put out a pitch, tell them why you'd like to work with them, post some of your videos to the pitch, and wait for them to get back to you. You also have work with artists, where you use an artist song in videos and you get paid by the highest votes or the highest likes or an engagement on that video. And lastly is video gifts. When you go live, you have the chance for your followers or your audience to send you gifts in monetary form, and then you can withdraw and cash that out later. Facebook too has a similar form of reward. Also, you have to be in eligible countries, so check that out for yourself. The last but not the least is paid events or attendance. These are usually done by larger or bigger brands, where they invite you to an event to attend as an influencer or a content creator and create content and post, and they pay you for just coming to attend the event. This is not very popular, except you're already a big time influencer. I've actually attended one event where I was paid to attend and create content, but that's just one out of my 4 years creating content and influencing for brands. So you really have to be maybe like a mega influencer for such events. So let's go over the different ways you can make money as a content creator. You have UGC content, brand sponsorship, YouTube, digital products, masterclasses, and tutorials. The other two are TikTok and Facebook together, and paid event attendance. So with these ways, you can have multiple streams of income, work for yourself, have flexible work hours. I know I already said this before, but content creation is such a fast growing industry, and I feel like in the next few years it's going to have like a boom. Thank you for watching this video. If you love this video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, click the subscribe button below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.